Howdy, 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 my YouTube fans. This is Lisa, aka LA Cashietto. I was on my way home from picking my son up from work, and he spotted a car show. It's a small one, but hey, let's go check it out, my peeps. They have it a couple of times a year. Let's check these cars out, peeps. That's a cute one. An oldie but a goodie. Yeah. This is a my size pickup truck, and actually we've seen this pickup truck a couple of times at John MacArthur State Park. Oh wow, look at the lights on the back of this car, or on the front actually.
That's cool.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
I bought a tranny, a computer, and all the shit that can't blow up for $500. And then he put a 406 small block in it. Got a 406 small block with a turbo 400 from some guy.
Look at this
and the
Chevy.
tranny blew on it instantly. So he didn't even get to drive it long. He hacked everything.
Cuz, check it out.
I like how go to the top.
What do you think, my Facebook fans? Oh, it's one of those El Caminos, an El Camino SS. They don't make these anymore, I don't think. Hey look, that's Christine, the Chevy. We got some Corvettes here. This one got pretty lights inside the engine. Check this out, Ed. That is so cool. Another cool one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Here's your Christine cars. Remember the movie Christine? There's 3 of them. So yeah, they do this a couple of times a year. Look, there's an old T model Ford. Check this out, my peeps.
Oh, look at that one right there.
Yeah. Let's go look. My son spotted one he likes. Hey, look, the Dukes and Hazzards one, almost. And then my son likes that one back there. I'll go around back so I can get a side view for y'all. So he likes that one because it looks like it's on fire. It's a GMC.
Looks like the old 65.
Look at that flatbed. That's an old Ford. No, that's Chevy, my bad. There's another old vehicle here. Let's go take a look, my pips. Check this baby out. Ain't that cool? Let me give you a good view of the grill. That is awesome. Get you a look on the inside. Maybe this was some sort of military truck. That is awesome. Let's look at this Chevy. That is awesome. Let me get you a good look at the grill. Are pretty. Hi. Look at this one. Looks like steering column down there on the floor, or the stick shift, I should say. This is awesome. Good eye, Ed. Good eye. I like this one. This one's kind of cool. It's a Dodge. This would be my friend's favorite because it's a Dodge. He likes Dodges. Yeah, and that other truck I was showing you was used in the U.S. Air Force. So it was used in the military. This is nice. I think this is a little bit of information on this vehicle. It's kind of cool. You want me to get you a picture, or are you doing your own video, kid? Oh, go ahead, go look around. I don't mind. He's doing his own video. So we get to walk around again, my peeps. Pardon me for a minute. Hey, Sari. Text Paul.
What do you want to say?
Dude, you're missing the car show on Seminole Pratt Whitney right next to the Burger King. And they got a cool looking Dodge.
I'll send this.
My son wants to take some videos and or pictures of his favorite vehicles. When John MacArthur State Park would do this, during the cooler months here in South Florida, they would have a car show, the food trucks, pretty nifty. So I was on the way home from picking my son up from work when he happened to spot the car show. Like I said, here are your Chevys. There's your Christine, for those of you that remember the movie Christine. Let's see if I can get a picture on one of the inside ones. I like this one. This one's pretty. Check her out. Ain't she party? They don't make cars like these no more.
Well, we'll be around tomorrow, or if you got, I can bring you.
So, like I said, that one always been my favorite whenever I seen it at the park. So I hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna go on home. I still like this one. There goes that vehicle. It's a Ford. Nice ride. But yep. Pontiac.
I should have known. Yeah.
Gentleman right here just said it was a 68. That is awesome. That's a 68. That's 1968.
Yeah, that's a nice car.
But yeah, so that was a brief car show. And I hope you all enjoyed. And I'll catch you on the other.